excited ukuthi oh ngaze emshadweni wakho wathola yini ibhodlela ngiphathele lona ngamtshela nangendaba yokuthi usazomthengela igift yomshado. I think ukuthi uma wena beseyibonile ivideo yakho ye-club mina bengazi, should I have known bengengize ngim-accept, should I have known nje bengengize ngim-accept. I waqala ke I'm not gonna repeat what she said. Then she started saying izinto which I think bekuyizinto eziza ngakwena.
Yeah.
I thought ukuthi mhlawumbe uzosho one sentence bese siqhubekela, and there is ipart ye video where I even asked her ukuthi ningakwazi ukuthi nihlaleni phansi ikhulunywe lento phakathi kwenu, and ngikuzwile kade uphendula wena uretaliate ukuthi abantu abafakile ivideo didn't put everything, and I was so pissed off for the fact that why that part wasn't wasn't recorded. The part where I even asked her ukuthi if uSkothane ngathi hlalani phansi noma wena uthi nihlale phansi. I didn't call your name, but I referred because I knew what she was talking.
Yes.
See, and she said there is just too much. I don't remember if she said maybe or but then there is too much that have been said. And media because media you understand? Live. I was excited also because I love Dominic. I was hurt you know, I just didn't understand because sharing internet because there's always a drama. Dominic may figure what figure I now we bonileke oivid and bengilokhu ngiphuza ayinami ngiqasha, and I want to tell you Wescotten, I do ngigowishile ngalento because angikazi ngibe kwi scandal and ngivula uFacebook every ngikulento nami, you know, ngiyavula uFacebook nawe uretaliatile uphendule okwami ngize okusho ngami ngize ngakubona with a friend kunomngane nami ongisendele smallanyana video and I was just like nkosami angishongo lutho. Of course I did think ukuthi uzothi mangabe usubuya ungifake nami kodwa ngcono ngoba usho ukuthi singane zoma sisi Destiny's Child.
I think Destiny's Child ngoba uBeyonce akekho, ngithe mina ni uPowerpuff Girls.
Anyway, bengazi ukuthi kuzokwenzeka ngikhethe some fire kulento kodwa namanje, and I did say kuma video and ngishilo ukuthi if I said something ngawe bengizoxolisa, but ayikho into engishilo bengi uncomfortable with the fact ukuthi kwi live yami kukhulunywa ngabanye abantu, and at that time I should have disconnected or ngithi kunenkinga ye network, but I didn't, and we are here and I second sengayenza, you know. Okay. And angingeni for uDominic nawe, angingeni for umaweni nawe. I have a relationship nabo angawaqala ngawe. You understand? uDominic personally asakabonani, and I would love to meet him. I would love to see him. We are more close kuma games and conversation. Lana we call sometimes go WhatsApp. Mase ukuthi enye into engifuna ukuyiclearisha because I'm not sucking anyone's ass and I will never suck anyone's ass with anything, guys. Ngiyabathanda bawu2 kodwa anginayo igroup nabo enginayo kwi WhatsApp ukuthi